Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I will be showing you how to make money online with Premium.Chat. Premium.Chat enables its users to get paid for receiving phone calls, video calls, or texts. So if this sounds good to you and you'd like to learn how to start making some money online with Premium.Chat, be sure to stick around until the end. As you can see right here, I'm currently on Premium.Chat, and by scrolling down we'll be able to read some more about them. With this website or software, better yet, you'll be able to monetize your website or social media accounts by charging for voice calls, video calls, or text-based chat. So basically, once you have a social media following, you can simply sign up with Premium Chat and you'll be able to charge for phone calls. So for example, you could do consultations, you could do motivational coaching, as you can see right here. So for this to work, all you'll need is simple a social media following. So for example, if you're an influencer, if you're even a YouTuber with a large following and a lot of persons or your followers would like to get in touch with you, you can sign up with Premium Chat and you'll be able to get paid for each phone call you get and each minute that you're on the phone with that person. As you can see here, they show a few options. You can see for coaches, consultants, influencers, experts, tech support agents, and individuals or business offering one-on-one paid chat or consultory services. And you can see to get set up in 3 minutes and start making money today. So if you have a social media following, you can start making money right away. And it's quite easy to sign up, as all you'll have to do is simply enter your email address and tap on sign up, and you can see your estimated earning potentials right here. So for example, if you were to charge $1 per minute and you were to talk on average 25 minutes, you can see that you'll be able to earn a profit of $15. So for every dollar they take 60 cents, as you can see right here. Yes, so you'll be able to get 60, better yet, for every dollar they take 40 cents, so you'll get 60 cents per dollar. And you can see an estimate also, if you were to get 5 chats per day, your profit for the day would be $75 and your profit for the week would be $525, and for the month it will be $2,250. So in conclusion, Premium Chat is a legit way to make money online, but you will definitely need a social media following, as you'll need persons that would like to hear your input, whether it be consultation or just regular to interact with you as an influencer. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did and you're interested to learn more ways to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.